Everyone is talking about the future. Kids my age always get asked who we want to be or what we want to be. What I know is that I want to make a difference in future farming, because I can see ways to contribute that will make a real impact. My contribution was born right here on this land. This farm has been a part of me my entire life. I've watched it change and grow, much like I've changed and grown. The fresh smell of the air, the love I have for all the animals, and all the products we create together. That's a daily reminder that the art of farming is running through my veins. As soon as I'm in charge of the farm, I would build upon the knowledge of my parents. They laid the groundwork for change because they had the courage to create a future-proof farm. Now I see the chance ahead of me to create endless opportunities. And when I'm grown, I will work with a team of experts who think outside of the box. They will help me build the farm of the future. With the increase of the world population, you know there will be a lot of mouths to feed, and it is us farmers who will work day and night to provide the answers. So, what are the right steps for a bright future? We would create new and effective ways to reduce our footprint by stimulating circular farming and taking care of our planet. We would continue to learn and explore new possibilities to recycle the resources that are already available to us. What if we could do more? What if data not only predicts, but prevents any serious health issues that could occur in our cows and lead us to take the right kind of action? We would optimize our care, because happy, healthy cows who can roam freely provide us in return with the best dairy. Purity in our products is what the consumer will know us by, and they wouldn't have to take our word for it. We would give them the ability to check the source of their glass of milk. They will see that all of the steps of our operation come from a place of devotion, care, and determination to create a product that is born out of optimal health of our cows. Because to us, they come first. With all these solutions in place, I would have the chance to live more carefree and have the time to explore and enjoy all other things that life has to offer. But you will most likely find me in the barn or out on the field with my cows, because I will be a farmer, feeding the world with love and pride. That's the farmer's way of life. And now it will be mine. Bring on the future. I'm ready.